Chandran Ashwin.
I think what stands out for me was his, wanting to evolve all the time. He wasn't the kind of guy satisfied as to where he started. He wanted new tricks to be learned. He pursued it, practiced hard at it, and continued to look for new things, as his career progressed, to keep up with the times. And like you mentioned, his legacy will be of being a terrific match winner, fabulous record, 537 sticks. I mean, anyone over 500 is special. And for him to do it, in his span and the way he's done it, especially when it came to bowling in the last 4 or 5 years, I think in India, along with Jadeja, I think they were a terrific pair. The real spin twins. They complemented each other well, and they spurred each other on. So I would say a lot of Jadeja's wickets in the last 5-6 years have come because of Ashwin, and vice versa. But for me, was his guile, he wanting to excel in his craft, and towards the end, in the last 2-3 years, the way he got the ball the way he gave it a rip and got it to dip on the batsman with drift, made him stand out. And you look at his record against right-handers, against left-handers, it's pretty much similar, which says it all. It didn't matter to him who he was bowling against. He was up for it.